Okay. How do you find maths?
Decent. Not hard, not easy.
Not hard, not easy. Okay. Now, just a small question, okay? Where do you rate yourself on a scale of 9?
Scale of 9, around like 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. That's good.
7 out of 9, 7 out of 9.
7 out of 9. That's fine. That's fine. So 7 on 9 is a good score, okay? So today it's your first lecture, okay? So I'll be teaching you very simple topic and one of the important topic of GCSE examination, which is called as equation of line. Are you aware of this topic?
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to, answer some of the easy questions.
So wait 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay, so as I said, I have taken the topic equation of a line. Okay, now have you come across this equation? I'm circling this equation.
So I don't see your screen.
Okay, you're not able to see my screen?
No, I can see you, but I can't see your screen.
1 minute. Let me share my screen again.
Yes, working now.
Working? Okay, great. Yeah, so I was asking, are you aware of this equation?
Yes.
What is this equation?
Y equals mx plus c equals the equation of the line.
This is equation of line. Okay, now this is from your unit number 6 graphs. Okay. Okay, now in this equation, two things are important. Okay. When I write equation of line, two things are important.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the two things?
The gradient and the y-intercept.
Oh, superb. The gradient and the y-intercept. Okay. So I'll just write in shortcut. This is gradient and C is called as the y-intercept. Superb, great going on. Okay, now I have some 7 equations on my right hand side. Okay, the task is very simple. You just have to identify the value of M and the value of C. That is nothing but gradient and the y-intercept. Okay, shall we
Okay.
start?
So
You can tell me one by one. Okay, no need to write first few. They are very simple. Okay.
okay.
Let's target the first equation. You tell me what is the value of y,
Uh, the
gradient.
the gradient is 2 and y-intercept is 3.
Y-intercept is 3. Okay.
Then for 2, the gradient is -3 and the y-intercept is 7.
Superb. This is -3 and this is 7. Okay. The next.
Then the gradient is 5/4 and the y-intercept equals 8.
Next.
Then it's 3/2 for the gradient and -5 for the intercept.
Correct.
And
Next one.
last one is -3 for the gradient and -4 for the y-intercept.
Okay. Okay. So this were this set of easy questions, okay? And you scored all of them correct. Okay. Keep it up. Now let's see little challenging, okay? Little challenging. I'm sure you'll able to answer them as well. Okay. Question number 6.
Question number 6 is, isn't the gradient 5 and the y-intercept 6?
See
Or
again.
wait, never mind. Is it, so we have to divide by 2 on both sides?
Yeah.
So it's, the gradient is 2.5 and the y-intercept's 3.
Okay. So if I divide both the sides by 2, I'll get here 5/2. Okay. And this will be 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the gradient? Gradient is 5/2.
So could you scroll up for like 2 seconds? I need to write down something.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can go off now.
Which one are you writing?
I was just copying down my answers for the thing. You can scroll back down now.
Okay. What about question number 7?
For 7,
What is the value of M and what is the value of C? Chalo, I'm writing the values. You tell me whether it's correct or wrong.
it's wrong because there's a minus in front of the y, and you have to take rid of that minus.
Okay, so how to get rid of that minus?
Uh,
Come on, think. How
so
can...
because there's a y is equal what minus 1y, which is
Mhm.
same as minus y, you have to divide by minus 1.
Okay, okay. So let's divide everything by -1.
So the gradient is 3.
Will it be 3?
Wait, 3 divided by minus 1.
Okay,
3 divided by minus 1 is minus 3.
okay. Let me write for you. So it was minus y divided by -1 is equal to 3x over -1 and -17 over -1.
And so it'll be a minus 3 and then 17 for the
Oh,
y-intercept.
okay, so the answers are, correct answer is -3 and 17. Chalo, any doubt till here?
No,
Everything is clear?
yeah.
Okay, now just have a look at the values of m, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you know how to find the value of m if instead of equation we are given a graph? Yes or
Pardon?
no? Yeah, so I was asking, see, the above 7 questions, equation was given, right?
Yeah.
So from the equation, it is very easy to write the gradient and the y-intercept. You were able to answer very well, okay? Now the next task is, instead of equation, you are given a graph. Now how will you find the gradient?
A gradient is you can find the gradient by using the equation up divided by cross. So I have to find 2 points. So
Okay,
the points I'm using is 3, and -4, 0. So then you have to count the boxes
okay.
1, 2,
So
3.
wait. I'll mark the point. Okay, this you want me to consider this point?
Yeah,
What are the coordinates?
of -4, 0.
-4, comma 0. And which was the next point should I consider?
2, 3.
Are you talking about this?
Yeah.
2, comma 3. Okay.
Then
Now
you have to
this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay. Okay.
then
Now
you
how
have to
to find
figure
them?
points. So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 divided by 6, and that can be simplified into 1/2. So the gradient is 1/2.
Okay, fine. Now you have counted the, are you using something like rise upon run?
Pardon, we've been only taught up divided by cross.
Okay. Are you aware of this formula?
No,
Okay. Then are you aware of this formula?
no,
Okay. Then how did you get 1/2?
because we've only been learning you just uh mark 2 points and then count the squares.
Very good, very good. So this is the height.
Yeah, height
Okay.
and then
Okay.
divide by
So
width.
okay, very good. So this is called as rise. How much is the rise? How many
3.
units? 3 units. Okay. Now let's see how much is the run. This was the start point till here. How much is the run?
6.
6. So isn't 3 by 6 is same as rise upon run?
Yeah,
Okay, you can remember like this also. So 3/6 is simplified as 1/2. Okay,
yeah,
now let's see another method where we use formula, okay?
yeah.
What is the formula? Read formula for me. M is
Y
equal.
y y y
Y,
squared minus
no, that is read as y2 minus y1.
y2 minus 1 over x2 minus x1.
Okay, help me with the values. What is the value of y2 in the graph?
Y2 is
3
3.
minus what is y1
0.
over x2
X2 is 2.
minus y2. Sorry,
3.
x1
X1 minus 4.
minus 4. So numerator is 3. How about the denominator?
A 6.
6, which is 1/2. Are you getting the same answer?
Yeah,
Okay, so there are different ways of finding the gradient, okay? You have to remember rise over run, or you can simply remember the expression or the formula, okay? which says m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now what you do is you just make note of these two things, okay?
Done.
Okay. Okay, now let me write two values of m, okay? M1, m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 2. What is the difference between them? Okay.
Diff
Yeah, wait, just 1 minute. I'll draw two lines. You try to guess which one is gradient 3 and which one is gradient 2, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is line P and this is line Q. Can you tell me whose gradient is what? You just have two options, okay? The gradient is either 2 or 3.
So P is, I think, M2 and then Q is M1.
Okay, tell me the values.
So then 3 and 2.
3 and 2. So you're saying the blue line has got gradient. Chalo, guess the gradient of both. P's gradient is
2. And then M's gradient is 3.
which one is 3?
The Q.
Q is 3, okay? Now, this is the first question where you have gone wrong, Arvind.
Oh.
Okay. Now, what you have to understand is which line is more steeper?
Oh, I get why. The higher the number, the steeper the gradient.
Yeah, yeah. So, steeper gradient is
The
okay.
steeper
So,
gradient P.
correct.
So
So, what is the correct answer? What is the gradient of P?
M3, the P equals 3, and then Q equals 2.
Very good. Okay, now, so you have understood. Now, what do you understand by C in the equation?
A C is a y-intercept.
Very good, Arvind. C is the y-intercept. Okay. The definition is 100% correct. Okay. You refer this diagram and you tell me what is the value of C.
The C is 2.
Okay. Okay. So in this example, the value of C is 2. Okay. Now, okay. Now coming back to again the first exercise. Okay. So we just have to understand here the gradient. Okay. So first gradient, can I write it as positive 2?
First, yeah, because if there is no negative sign, it's always assumed as positive.
Correct. By default as positive. So positive 5 by 4, positive 3 by 2. Okay, so whichever is positive, let me highlight in green. Okay.
Yeah.
How many positive gradients I have shaded?
3.
Okay. At the same time, negative with blue. Okay. So from this, can I conclude the value of gradient can be either positive or negative?
Yeah.
Is it necessary M is positive? M has to be positive?
No, because lines can have a can go be a negative line or a positive line.
Very good. Negative or positive. So one thing is clear, the gradient can be positive or negative. Okay, before we do this exercise, okay, you just tell me which one is positive and which one is negative. Okay, I'll draw certain lines. P, this is Q, R, S.
Okay, so P is negative,
Okay,
Q is also negative, R is positive, and S is positive.
right?
Yeah. So is the VE for negative and a positive?
Yeah. When I write minus with VE, it is negative, okay?
Okay.
And plus with VE is positive.
Okay.
Good observation, Arvind. So all the guesses are correct here, okay? All the guesses are correct. Now, since you have gathered the knowledge of gradient and the y-intercept, you will be able to answer this. Okay, so you just have to answer this, match them, okay? So let's start with the first equation.
So should I write this down or should it as a verbal
You
activity?
just tell me the option A, B, C, D like that. First one, y is equal to 5x plus 1.
5x, y equals 5x plus 1.
You have to target this part, okay? Y-intercept is 1.
That's going to be D.
Okay, correct. So this is my first graph. Y is equal to 5x plus 1. Okay. Shall we see the second graph?
Sure. Then y equals 2x plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be is
Options
it
are. How many graphs can you see with y-intercept as 3?
a 2?
2 graphs, okay?
But we have to make note of the gradient. And
Okay.
because the gradient is 2, that's
Hmm.
probably going to mean that it's not that steep, so it's A.
Mm, okay. Don't judge like that. Okay, wait for some time, okay? What you do is you try to identify one more equation which has 3 as a y-intercept. Okay, which else has y-intercept as 3?
V Y equals half x plus 3.
Okay. Okay, so these two are the equations and this are the possible graphs, okay? Now you see the gradient of the two.
So does that mean y equals 2x plus 3 equals C, and a y equals half x plus 3 A?
Very good. So here we make use of the concept of steeper slope, right?
Yeah.
So the y is equal to 2x. Here the gradient was 2, whereas here the gradient was half. So 2 is higher, so steeper line will be 2x plus 3. So let me write here, this is the second equation which says y is equal to 2x plus 3, whereas this is the fifth equation, y is equal to half x plus 3. Now two graphs are remaining, B and E.
Yeah, so for y equals minus x plus 4, it's going it's going to be B.
Sorry, come again, Arvind.
Y equals minus x plus 4 equals B.
This will be equal to B. Okay.
And then uh y equals minus 3x is going to be E.
Okay. One last interesting thing, okay. In the last graph, that is graph number E, What is the value of C, y-intercept?
The value of C is 0 because it doesn't give us a definitive answer.
Okay, so this is y-intercept is 0, right?
Yeah.
Superb, superb, Arvin. I am enjoying your basics are very strong, Arvin. Keep it up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let me give you a little difficulty equation, okay? So if I say y is equal to 5x minus 7, this is very easy to write the value of m and c, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, quickly tell me the answer.
M equals 5 and C equals negative 7.
Okay, now I'm going to give you questions where you have to do little steps, okay, to get the answer. For example, let's take the first one. Now, can you tell me what is M and what is C?
First you have to subtract 3y on both sides. So it's going to be 2x equals 6 minus 3y. So 2x
2x is equal to,
to 6 minus 3y.
okay,
And then we divide. Wait,
wait. Hey, which variable we have to make subject, X or
we have
Y?
to make y.
Y as a subject, okay? Ensure you're making Y as a subject.
Wait, I've got it. So you have to take away 2x on both sides. So
Okay,
3y equals 6 minus 2x. And then you divide by 3 on both sides. So that means y equals 2 minus 2 over 3x.
okay. So again, the questions remain unanswered. What is M, what is C?
The m is going to be minus 2 over 3 and c equals 2 because it doesn't really matter where you put it. It's just flipped around.
Okay, so just write this as the final answer. And from here, we understand the value of M is minus 203 and C is 2. Okay, shall I give you the next question?
Sure.
Okay, start.
Okay. The answer is m equals minus 5 over 4 and y equals minus 4.
M and C, right? So M is
Yeah,
equal to minus 5 over 4 and C is equal to
C is equal to minus 4.
minus 4. Okay, Let me see. So minus 4y is equal to 16 minus 5x. Changing the sign, 4y is equal to plus 16 now will become negative 16 and 5x. Dividing both sides by 4, I'll get y is equal to
Y is equal to minus
hey,
4.
Arvind, I'm getting different values.
Oh, wait. So what question are you talking about? Minus 5, 4, minus 4. Yeah, I said mine. Wait.
You made some mistake.
Wait, wait, let me go through again. So
Yeah,
2.5
please.
x 3.5x minus y equals 16 minus 5x. Yeah, so I got minus 4 for C and then minus 5 over 4 for M. That's what I said.
So I'm getting m as positive here. My answer is positive.
Because I did minus 5x on both sides.
Yeah, that's correct. But still I have minus 4y, okay? My y, which is subject, is negative. It must be positive.
Oh, you made a mistake. When you subtract it on there, it's not supposed to become plus, it's supposed to become minus because it changed places.
Okay, now let me write your solution, okay? I'll write your steps now. So let's start with your method. So it is 5x minus 4y is equal to 16. Tell me step number 1, which you have done.
I subtracted minus 5x on both sides.
Okay, so here it will be minus 4y and this side it is 16 minus 5x.
Yeah, so then divide by minus 4.
Haha. Now before that, ensure here is minus 4. Have you written minus 4 for this step?
Yes, I've
Okay.
written minus 4.
So what is the next step?
Then divide by minus 4 on both sides.
Okay, let's do that. Minus 4y is equal to 60 minus 5x. As you said, I'm dividing everything with minus 4.
Yeah,
Okay. Next step, come on.
then that means y equals minus 4 minus 5 over 4x.
Oh, this one is negative, Arvind. This one is negative.
So does that mean minus 5 over 4 so
So
y equals minus 4 minus 5 over minus 4x.
So it's like minus 5x over minus 4. Now minus and minus gets cancelled and we are left with positive 5 by 4.
Yeah, oh, okay, that makes sense.
Okay, because there are two negative signs. Okay, two negative signs make positive.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, so rearranging this. Okay, last step is optional, but I always prefer to do this. Okay, so therefore the gradient is 5 over 4 and the y-intercept is minus 4. Correct?
Yeah,
Okay, so just a small learning for you. Just be careful while handling the signs, okay? Rest
yes,
are doing amazing, okay? Okay, now just the last topic I want to touch is the equation of line. Do you know how to find equation of line?
yes.
Okay, let's do one question on this? Okay, I'll take help for. Okay, so here two important things you should know. Two important things. What are they?
The gradient and the y-intercept.
Okay, so these two are very important. Okay, these two
Yeah.
are very important in order to write the equation of a line.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's take the same diagram. Okay, so in this diagram, can you tell me how to find the gradient? We have found earlier also. Do you remember?
Gradient is up divided by across, or phi a rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Very good. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and this was 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 4, which was 3 over 6. In turn, this was half.
Okay.
Okay, so the first hurdle we have solved. What was the first hurdle? We should know what is the gradient.
Gradient.
So we have found the gradient. Okay, now comes the y-intercept. Okay,
Yeah.
comes the y-intercept.
Yeah.
So from the diagram, it is 2.
Yeah.
From the diagram, it is 2. What if the diagram is not given?
If the diagram's not given,
Okay,
there
for
will-
this, yeah, for this question, let me take it from the graph. From the graph, c is equal to 2. Okay, from the graph, c is equal to 2. So the second problem is also solved. We wanted the value of gradient and we have got that. Once
yeah.
you know m and c equation of
Then you can substitute them into y equals mx plus c.
great, great, great. So what will be my final answer?
Y equals half x plus 2.
Plus 2. Okay, now this was simple, huh? This was simple. Let me give a difficult one. Can you try for this graph?
So y equals
Wait. I'll paste it properly.
y equals
Wait,
I
just
can't
1 minute. Huh? This is question number 1. This is question number 2.
okay, so for question number 2,
Mhm.
y will equal 3x over 3x minus 1.
Okay. For that, first you identify 2 points which are very clear on the graph. 2 points, any 2 points. Shall I take this point? This seems to be very clear point.
Yeah, and then minus 1, 2,
What are its coordinates? This point
uh,
is the y-axis.
0 minus 1.
0 minus 1. Okay. One more point. Shall we take this? This also seems to be very clear.
Yeah.
What is it?
That's 1, 2.
Okay. Now you can mark anything. I'm taking this as x1 and y1 values, whereas this as x2 and y2 values. Step number 1. I should know what is M. Repeat the formula.
Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Substitute the values.
Which is, so y2 equals -1, and -1 minus 2 equals -1 minus 2 -3, and then x2, which is 0, and minus x1 1, which is -1.
So now the answer will be +3 or -3.
A +3.
+3. The reason is we have two negative signs, okay?
Yeah.
Negative becomes positive. So M is done. What about C?
C is very easy, as we can just find out from where the line crosses the y-axis, and it's -1.
Okay. So from the graph, C is -1.
Yes.
So what's the equation of line?
The equation is going to be y equals 3x minus 1.
-1. Okay, this becomes the equation. Okay, now I'm increasing the difficulty level. Arvin, are you with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now the next question. Find the equation of a line that passes through points 2, 7 and -3, 4. This is my question.
So, 2, 2, 4. So
I'll tell you of step number 1. You just draw a simple diagram. Okay, mark random 2 points. Okay, now this is not as per the scale. This is point A whose coordinates are 2 and 7, whereas this is point B with the coordinates -3, 4.
yeah.
We'll give some name to this: x1, y1 and x2, y2. Arvind, now even I can write this as x2, y2 and this as x1, y1, okay? I'll be getting same answer. Okay?
Yeah. So you can just substitute them in.
Now you try and give me the final answer. Let's see.
So I got -1 over 11. Wait, I think I did it the wrong way. Yeah, I did.
Do it properly.
Yeah, it's 11 over -1. So that means the value is going to be -11 for M.
What's the final equation?
The final equation.
How did you find the value of C?
So if M is going to be -11, then C is going to be, I'm not sure because it doesn't give us a graph.
Okay. So now that makes this question challenging, okay? If the graph is not given, how to find the value of C, okay? Observe the steps.
Yeah.
Step Number one, no doubt, it is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 was 4 minus 7, y2 minus y1. Okay, over x2 minus x1. Hey, do the calculation again. Numerator I'm getting as, what is 4 minus 7?
4 minus wait, yeah, I think wait, so you
Yes,
gave 7, you gave it as just a positive 7.
yeah. What did you write?
I wrote 4 plus 7 over
Oh,
minus 3 plus 2.
correct, correct. Please correct this again, same mistake, okay? Handling signs.
Okay. So that will be minus 3 minus 5.
Which in turn will be?
It will be x.
Will be 3 over 5, right?
Yeah, minus 3 over minus 5.
Minus 3 over minus 5. So two negative signs will make it positive.
Yes, that will be minus 3. So should I use calculator for this?
Minus 3 over minus 5. You're checking in the calculator?
Yeah.
Yeah, please check and confirm.
So it will be 0.6.
Yeah, 0.6, but will not take the decimal values, okay? We'll keep the fractional values. Okay, is this correct? Minus 3 over minus 5 is 3 over 5.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, now what is this next challenge for us?
To find out C.
To find out C, okay? So let the equation of line, what is the standard form of equation line?
Y equals mx plus C.
Okay, do you know what is the value of m?
M is 3 over 5.
Okay. Okay, so what was our task? Our task is to find the value of C, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I can find C if somebody gives me the value of Y and the value of X. If somebody gives me X and Y, I can find C from here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do is, can you see point A in the diagram?
Point A, yeah. Do you just substitute that in?
Yes, because so this is point A lies on the line. Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
So do you know what happens when a point lies on the line?
You're able to substitute the points into the equation.
Amazing. So it is called as it satisfies the equation of line. Okay, and which is nothing but substitution. Okay, which is nothing but substitution. This is the reason why we can substitute x and y, okay? Because any point present on the line will satisfy the equation of line. Come on, what can I write for y?
For Y, because on point A it shows us 7 as Y, you can put Y for 7 equals Y.
In place of x,
2.
okay? And c is unknown, okay? We have to find c. So calculate c for me.
Okay.
Don't do mistake here.
Is it 29 over 5 or 5.8?
Tell me fraction value. 29
Over 5.
over 5. Okay, let me check. Can you tell me the steps? Because if this question comes in paper 1,
3
where
over 5 times 2.
hmm?
Wait, 3 over 5, then times by 2, which gives
Okay.
us 6 over 5. And then 7 take away 6 over 5, give us 29 over 5. So C equals 29 over 5.
Okay, that's the correct answer. So both the problems solved, okay? The two challenges M and C we have worked out, okay? The value of gradient was 3 over 5 and the value of y-intercept is 29 over 5.
So I'm able to substitute in the B values, point B.
Yeah, point B. So you have option A, either point A or point B. Shall we try with point B?
Sure, but I know we'll get the same answer.
What do you think? Will we get the same answer?
Let me check. So we got 4, wait, we got 3 over 5 times minus 3, and then 4 take away answer. 29 over 5 is the same answer.
Okay, so what's the final equation of line?
Y equals my 3 over 5x plus 29 over 5.
Amazing. Okay, so now you have understood how to find the value of gradient and the y-intercept. Okay, now in this question you took my help. Okay, I want next question you solve independently. Ready for
Sure,
the challenge?
sure.
Okay, so that's the question number 4. Start.
So I've got the answer.
Okay, tell me your answer.
So it's I got y equals 1 over 4x plus 15 over 4.
Is this your answer?
1, 5.
15 over 5.
15 over 4.
15 over 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me quickly check. What is the value of M you got?
The value of M is 1/4, and the value of C is 15/4.
Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Hey, please cross-check your values. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It isn't 1/4, okay?
Wait, -3 -1. I think I've got it. So 1/-4. Is it 1? Wait. Wait, it's 17/4.
Achha, what about the value of m? Gradient. How much
It's
is
going to
gradient?
be 1/4 -4x.
Okay, so I'll write minus 1/4. Then y is equal to mx. So 4 is equal to minus 1/4. X value is 1 plus c. C. Are you getting 17/4?
Yeah, I'm getting 17/4.
Okay, so the correct answer is y is negative 1/4x plus. Now is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are almost about to end the session. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts?
No.
Okay, I personally enjoyed teaching you. Okay, I'll give just 2 small questions as home assignment. Okay, you can do whenever you're free.
Yeah, could you send that on to my mother's Gmail?
Okay, okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay, and I'll give the few questions for practice over your mama's Gmail.
Uh, just send it on to my mom's Gmail.
Yeah, yeah, I'll do. And you said you are rating yourself as 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay, after teaching you, I feel you're better than 7. Okay, you're better than 7. And with good practice, okay, with good practice, you surely will reach 9/9. Okay, wish you all the very best.
Okay.
Yeah, see you in the next lecture.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.